Okay, so the question I get asked the most is where do you get your skateboards? We need the sunglasses. Now it makes sense. Actually, hold on. So, where do I get my skateboards from? I get it from skate shops. I talked about it on my last video. So you might be wondering, where do you get your skateboards from? And I get it from skate shops. But let's go deeper than that. So when I started this about 2 years ago, I asked myself the same question. Where do I get my skateboards from? Skate shops usually is a place to hang out for skaters. So when you break a skateboard, you usually go to a skate shop. Is this too loud?
Okay, sweetie, have a good one.
Have a good one.
Okay.
So you leave your skateboards, your broken skateboards, at the skate shop and you get a new setup. If you really want to get into recycling skateboards, you have to start calling and asking different skate shops if they have broken boards. There's a couple different answers you're gonna get. Most of the skate shop owners would say, sorry, we just throw it away. And it's your job to convince them to save that for you. So what Jerry asked me to do is make him kind of like a plaque for his sponsors. And so what I'm doing here is, these are the cutoffs. Before we take this outside to sand it, we're gonna cut the edges off and save it for later. On the sides of the skateboards, there's these raw edges. So all I'm doing here is just getting these pieces and using a 23 gauge pin nailer to nail these down. A lot of times they'll just give it to you for free if they're nice. You just have to kind of show them what you're planning on doing. Biggest step you have to take is actually reaching out. This right here is work. This is the most crucial part of the step. If you don't have the skateboard, you can't make anything because you don't have the material. So anyways, that's what it takes to recycle skateboards. Let me finish this up and we're gonna go to the skate shop and talk to the owners. Let's go eat. It does get pretty lonely when you're working by yourself. Okay, I got 4 more left. Let's finish this. Last one. Okay, here it is. Let's take it to Jerry and see what he says.
Let me know when you're ready, bro.
All right.
You've been ready.
That's Jerry.
My name is Jerry Correa. I'm from the Garage Board Shop. Welcome to the garage. Right now, today we're working on a workshop. Let me tell you a little bit about what we do. We're running an after-school program for the kids. It's called Skate for Educate. And what Skate for Educate does, basically we raise money out of basically almost nothing to have scholarships for the kids. So we teach them on workshops. We do skateboarding, art, silk screening. We have a DJ room, a sound studio, recording studio. And we apply all that to the kids here at the garage in order for them just to come and simply do their homework. And by them doing their homework, it achieves their grades, pick up their grades, and finds them another outlet instead of being out in the street, getting in trouble, getting high, or getting into gangs. So we've been very, very successful here at the garage for the last 10 years. We have over 7,000 kids registered here. And our success rate is 72%, 3.0 GPAs. Amazing part of this, you know, most of our kids come from broken homes, broken families, single moms, single dads, but they're really, really achieving just to become something, whether it's an artist, a skateboarder, a DJ, making music, making beats, all kinds of fun stuff going on here. We do little stuff like this, but this here has an amazing story to it. This is not just a recycled board. What it is this kid's board, this kid's board, this kid. It's the grind, the pain, and the heart of they follow every day when they fall down and grind these boards every day. So the true story behind all these kids is in every present or every piece of furniture that you're gonna take home. That's the beautiful part of it. The whole money gets recycled, the whole board gets recycled, and more than anything, you take one of these kids' story home with you, then you can share that with us. Perfect. And that's gonna help us out 100%.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jerry. I appreciate you.
That's the story. You can go to the website, www.thegarageboardshop. We have a very friendly Instagram. Our YouTube is phenomenal. We've gotten several documentaries from around the world. And more than anything, just come and visit us. That's the true story. There's no reenacting. There's nothing here every day. We have anywhere from 20, 30 kids every day on a daily basis, whether it's summer, whether it's winter, whether it's raining. Every day there's a handful of kids here. You're always welcome to come here. We're right in the corner of Atlantic and Whittier in the corner of East LA. Right in the heart of my home and your home.